This is the Nissan Skyline HT GTX from the 2024 Ultra Hots Mix 2, and it is one of the most desirable cars from this mix. It's finished in Spectraflame Purple. It's time to crack her open. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Oh yeah, we'll get this up on the turntable. Good, let's just tampo dust. Couple little spots on the roof. Wow, the Spectraflame Purple is gorgeous though. Ooh, yeah baby. Here's the Nissan Skyline on the turntable, and it looks absolutely fantastic in the Spectraflame Purple. It's definitely one of the most desirable cars from the 2024 Mix 2. There's 8 cars in this series, and I think this one's going to be very, very desirable for sure. It looks very nice with these Ultra Hot Wheels actually. These Ultra Hot Wheels first came out in the 80s. They're not to everyone's taste. These wheels are the wheels that I grew up with on my Hot Wheels cars. The Ultra Hots themselves, there was a line that Hot Wheels did with Spectraflame paint in the 80s. So that's what this line kind of harkens back to. The car has full details, full headlight tampos and taillight tampos. This one has kind of a shooting lightning bolt graphic on the hood and on the sides of the vehicle. It also has a blank number roundel. I like that the roundel is actually the Spectraflame Purple and it's not just a white circle, so it kind of breaks it up a bit. But what's pretty cool is that it has the headlights that are done, but the exterior oil cooler is also tampoed in a gray color, which is definitely very cool because mostly this car is a mainline and you don't get that tampoed at all, so that's really awesome. It's a great looking car. It really shines, has some good depth to it. Now I also have 2 of the other Target exclusive Ultra Hots from 2022 and the 2024 Mix 1. So I wanted to compare Spectraflame Purples. Here's the Pontiac GTO in Spectraflame Purple, and interestingly the tampos are kind of similar as well. To my eye, the purple is slightly different. On the GTO it's got a little bit more magenta. I don't know if that's because the Spectraflame color is a clear paint and it just depends on how much of the paint they're using, or if it's actually a different color purple altogether. I have absolutely no idea. I do know that with these Target exclusive cars you can find color variations of the same exact vehicle. I've found quite a few different variations of a few different castings, some lighter, some darker, so that could be the case with this purple Nissan Skyline. Now here's the Ford Fairlane to add to the Spectraflame debate of the purple. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's a different color purple on this Skyline. It's got a little more purple, a little less magenta, which is crazy because I thought the Fairlane and the GTO were purple, but now that I see it in person, it definitely looks a little bit different, which is kind of cool because sometimes you don't even notice these things until after you open the cars in the package, so you just don't know. I really like this car. I think it's going to be one of the most desirable cars from 2024 Mix 2. This mix is on fire as it is, but I think between this Nissan Skyline and the 71 Datsun 510 and the 78 Porsche 935 78, I think those cars are going to be absolutely impossible to find on the pegs, but who am I kidding? I think pretty much majority of these cars you're not going to be able to find in stores except for the Thunderbird, the Dodge 330, maybe the Volkswagen Custom Beetle. The other 5 are just going to be snapped up. You won't even see them in stores. So good luck. because Hot Wheels finally got their act together with these Ultra Hots. The first couple mixes were literally just American muscle. Not many collectors purchased them, which was great because I know a good Spectra Flame color when I see one. I think they're drop dead gorgeous. Now that Hot Wheels finally has some awesome Japanese castings in this line, it's going to be an ultra hot find for collectors, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you might want to check out some of my other Hot Wheels Ultra Hot videos and my other Japanese Hot Wheels videos as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.